Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to Shri Purnima. This is Jyoti. We are based in Sadashivam Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. So everywhere it's a corona threat. So a very big salute and tribute to all the doctors and the nursing staff especially. So a very big salute from me and my family and all our neighbors. So the next we thank government and also the municipal and corporation workers who are working very hard to keep everything clean and disinfected. So even today morning there were surveyors in every doorsteps asking for the details of the family and who were infected with fever and mild cold symptoms also. A very big thanks to all those members and everyone, please take care, please isolate yourself, and this is the well-being you are doing for yourself and your family with your neighbors and our society. So please isolate yourself. So next, coming to our business, the courier service is working normal, so there is no problem with the courier service as of now. So the dispatch will be happening the same day post the clear settlement and all. So the delivery date will be from 3 to 5 working days. The delivery will happen from 3 to 5 working days. So this is how the courier service is working. So today I have RNA style soft silk blend sarees, price is 1100, shipping charges is extra. So I will move with the sarees now. Yeah, I have some sarees. All the pattern is the same, but the butta will be slightly different. In each butta I have some 3 to 4 colors, so I will show you each and everything one after the other. So this is the first style. It has this kind of tilaham butta in the border, so it is a green with black combination. So in the borders alone you will be having this kind of tilaham butta, and it's a checked pattern. It's a RNA style soft silk blend sarees. So it has the green with black combination. This will be the pallu. So the pallu, a very rich pallu with peacock design and the borders design. So even in the pallu you have this kind of tilaham motifs, and this will be the blouse. The blouse will be coming contrast. It's a black color. So this is the first style. It has the tilaham motif in the border. So this is green with black. I have 2 other color combinations. 3 other color combinations in this particular motif. So this is green with black, and the next one is a pink with black combination in the same butta. Hope you can able to see the colors clearly. Yeah. So next one is a mango yellow with black combination. A mango yellow with black combination. These are the 3 colors available in this particular design. So it's tilaham motif. The fabric is very soft. It's a silk blend. Okay, it's kind of a semi silk. Okay, the fabric is very soft and silky. Okay, it's the style is RNA style. Okay, so you have the pallu. Yeah, you have this kind of peacock design pallu. The pallu and the design motif is same, but the colors alone is different in this one. So I'm moving with the next motif design. All of these sarees are checked patterns, only the motifs will be different. Okay, so this is the second design in this particular one. It has a mango floral circle butta all over the checks design. So this is a brownish red and blue combination. This has a multicolor combination. Okay, so I will open up the saree design for you once. So yeah, this is the pallu. It is a multicolor with blue color pallu and the blouse piece. So you have a very rich pallu design, and the saree is multicolor checked pattern with a mango floral circle inside the circle. This is the butta you will be having all over the body. Okay, so but the distance will be a little different in the body pattern. Okay, it will be coming a diagonal shape. So this is one color. So this is one color, and the other one is the pink and blue combination. So this is a pink and blue combination. Even here it has the blue color pallu. It's a purplish blue color. That one is a light blue color. This is a purplish blue color, like a ink blue. We can say it ink blue. That will be the exact replica. So this one is a red with blue combination. It's not a pink with blue combination. This is a pink with blue combination. Sorry. Yeah. So it's a brown with red base. This is a red with purple base, ink blue base. This is a pink with blue base. This one also has the pink pallu with pink color blouse. These are the three different colors that are available in this particular design. It's the Arani style soft silk blend sarees. It's a kind of semi-silk sarees. The fabric is very soft and silky. Okay, so the price is 1100 plus shipping. The shipping is happening as usual. There is no problem with the courier service dispatching. Even today the load has come normally. So this is the second design. And the third design, it's similar to the first one, but instead of the Tilaga motif, you will be having the peacock motifs in the borders. So this is the third set in the same style. Okay, you have a different kind of peacock motif in the pallu. So you have this kind of pallu. Okay. Only the design is slightly different, but all the patterns are same. It's the blouse piece. It's very soft and silky. So this is the third motif design that you will be having. I have different colors in this one also. So this is green with black. And the next one is pink and blue combination. And this one is dark orange and black combination, and this one is again yellow with blue combination. So these are the color combinations available. All of them are priced at 1100 plus shipping. So I think the visibility is a little slightly, yeah. So these are the colors available. Okay, so if anyone interested, please take the screenshot of the saree and WhatsApp me at 9150556870. So I have mentioned my WhatsApp number in the description, and I have given the WhatsApp direct link also in the description, so that you can ping me without saving my number. Resellers are also welcome. Resellers will be having a decent margin. So today I have only this collection. So tomorrow I will be coming up with the next set of collections. Thanks for watching. Be safe. Take care of yourself and your family. Thank you. Bye.